What up, Prestige family? This is Alex from Prestige Window Tinting again, bringing you a quick look of this windshield window tinting that we're doing here. So we're adding the Xpel XR Blue 80. This film is mainly for heat and UV reduction. So this film, it's not gonna give you any privacy to the window, but it will protect you about, I would say, 50% of the heat reduction and about 70% of the infrared reduction. So it makes a huge difference inside. Also, it keeps the dashboard from cracking over time, you know, with the heat and all that stuff. So if you add this film to the windshield, it will protect your skin from the harmful UV rays and heat reduction. So it makes a huge difference inside the vehicle. So that's the way it looks on the outside, and this is how it looks from the inside. So you get better visibility because it reduces about 30 to 40% of the glare inside the vehicle. So it don't really give you too much glare when you're driving in a sunny day. Plus it'll give you really good heat reduction, because 50% of the heat reduction is better than having no heat reduction on the windshield. Then we added the Xpel XR Black 20 on the two front windows and Xpel XR Black 5 on the back windows for privacy. And we're gonna add Xpel XR Black 30 on the sunroof to reduce all the heat coming through the sunroof. Alright, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.